Hello again, people. I'm just doing a quick little video on some leftover paints that I had left, and I knew that if I didn't do a video for you and it turns out beautiful, I'd be disappointed. So I'm going to do this quick little video of these 3 or 4 leftover colours I had, which were black, gold, turquoise, and a creamy gold colour, which was basically white with gold added. So I will do this as a ring pour, and it'd be interesting just to see how it comes out. I have loaded the colours up into the jug, so it's just a quick little one for you. The particular pouring medium was my Elmer's glue all and water mix, which if you look at the bottom of my video and click the little arrow, it'll have the pouring medium there. So this was black, gold, turquoise, and the creamy gold. So it's basically white with gold added. So I've loaded the cup up, and I was just going to get rid of this paint, but I thought I would video it for you just in case it turns out pretty good. So I'm going to just I'm just going to let it pour and do its own thing. Pour from this jug. So yeah, I might do this going up and down. Don't like doing that sometimes because it mixes the paint in the container, so you'll get the muddy colours. But see, pouring it high, see what that does. Obviously all we can see at the moment is the black, but let's try doing a ringy thing. No, it's black, 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 but I'm hoping some of that colour will show its face. The gold and the turquoise and the creamy colour. But yeah, obviously I shouldn't have put so much black in because it's obviously very dominant. Let's go back up here and see if I do this. I just don't want to, it's just going to mix it really. So I'm just going to pour, see how we go. My dog. Hey, you two, behave. I thought I'd lock them out in the garden, and they've just come round to my laundry wanting to, like, Mum, why are we locked in? Out. Ooh, doesn't that turquoise look nice with the green and the black? But there's just way too much black, but we'll just see how it turns out. Just the ones that you're least expecting turn out beauties, but maybe this is not one of them. But we'll give it a go. Do a bit of a whirly thing at the end. Haven't got too many colours to mix in there. Okay, Skylar, no. Got 2 beagles, an Australian shepherd, and a miniature poodle. Bit of a mixed bag. Okay. Well, it's looking very galactic. Is that a word? Galactic? Yeah. It's like black as night. It's not much of the other colours are going to get a show in this, are they? It's might just, when I've stretched it out a bit, I might just leave it to do its own thing and see what comes of it. Yeah, it's looking very blah. Okay. Well. The other colours may certainly come through, but it is kind of a dark and moody one, but some people I know will love the look. My boys seem to go for things like this. Let's running a lot of stuff off. Well, it's just the leftover paints that I didn't really want to make other paints up to go with these paints that I've had made up a few days now, so I just thought I will just do something with them like I normally do. So the turquoise is battling through that black somehow. Ooh. Just what I'm pouring on is the recycled heavy duty card I get from eBay. That is a bit like a onyx looking thing, but I'll give it the torch and see if any magic happens, or if not, I'll call that a fail. I'm just going to wave the torch over it. I don't want to create any clusters or oh yeah, there we go. Alright, so see how that's clustering beautifully. What it makes it look like when you do this kind of pour is like those cells are just floating, like 3D effect. So that's interesting. That's oh, okay, gun wants to fall over. That's very interesting because it does look like gems, like what's the blue stone now? Can't think. Opal, that's it, like Australian opal. That's it, we have lots of those here in Australia, they're mined. But yeah, it's an interesting one, but look at it, really does look like, now I've give it that go with the torch, it looks like a 3D effect. It's quite cool actually, it's quite you see those? I mean, these cells may stretch out a bit more, but the colours, the effect behind them with the ring pour, it's quite good. It's quite good. I'll try and give you a close-up, and I'll put some photos on at the end of this video of what it looked like after it's stretched out a bit. It's actually quite interesting because look at those cells. They just look as though they're just floating there. Yeah, that's really, yeah, that's quite an interesting one actually. I know that some people will like this and I know some people will hate it, but I'll keep trying for you, and if you get any ideas, things that you want to try, obviously go for it. And if I've helped anyone, then I'm certainly happy. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel again. Please subscribe, it's absolutely free. I don't ask for any sponsorship or donations. It's free, absolutely free. Give me a thumbs up and a comment, let me know what you think. If you'd like to follow me over on my Acrylic Art by Julie Cube Facebook page, I can usually answer most questions over there a lot easier than I do on this YouTube channel, but I will endeavour to do so. Thank you so much, very appreciative.